Welcome back. It is time for the awards ceremony for the Hello Tomorrow Global Challenge. The Hello Tomorrow Global Challenge is one of the top, most prestigious early-stage deep tech startup competitions in the world. If you're just joining us, I'll give you a few figures to give you some sort of paint the picture of this context. Since its creation 6 years ago, more than 20,000 startups have applied. We have awarded the winners 1 million euros in prize money, and previous winners have gone on to raise 600 million euros so far. And then just to zoom in on this year alone, we received over 5,000 applications from 112 countries. Now we've narrowed it down to 84 finalists in 14 categories. Our expert jury has been working hard to narrow that down even further and select the winners. And they're ready to reveal the winners from the 3 categories that we saw today, which were digital health and medical devices, drug discovery, and medical biotech. On Friday afternoon, don't miss out on the grand finale, where we will reveal the overall 2020 winner, who will take home 100,000 euros in prize money. So, in order to announce our 3 winners today, I'd now like to welcome Himay Parthasarathi, the Scientific Director and Partner at Breakout Ventures.
Thank you, Kayla. It's such a privilege to be able to announce the winners of today's competition, even from 7:30 a.m. in San Francisco. I have had the pleasure of attending and judging for the Hello Tomorrow Summit since 2014. Back then, my colleagues and I had only recently started breakout labs out of the Thiel Foundation to help entrepreneurs bring scientific breakthroughs out of the lab and into the marketplace. So we were pretty much a startup ourselves. Not only was I scientific director, I was also the unlikely social media maven. I am decidedly not a digital native, but I somehow managed to connect with the like-minded founders of Hello Tomorrow and get myself invited to that first conference in the bowels of the Cité de la Science et de l'Industrie, complete with handmade posters and boxed lunches. This connection to Hello Tomorrow remains the pinnacle of my thankfully short-lived career in social media. The summit has blossomed in intervening years, bringing in paid staff, corporate participation, high production values, and a swankier venue. But what has drawn me to Paris year after year has been the Hello Tomorrow founding spirit, which has remained unchanged. It combines a deep respect for the power of rigorous science with the fearlessness of entrepreneurship and the imperative that we bring these twin engines together to solve the world's most pressing problems. Although we can talk about the great inventors of the past, I would argue that the Hello Tomorrow spirit represents a large and welcome cultural shift among scientists in the way we envision our role in society. Today, of course, the summit is in yet another guise, a virtual one, but its spirit of science entrepreneurship continues to shine through. Judging 3-minute pitches is never easy, and I can attest that this year's contestants face stiff competition. I suspect they would all be well-deserved winners, but of course, in each track, there can be only one. So let's have a look at our first category. Kayla, back to you.
Thank you so much, and we really appreciate you waking up early to be with us live for this awards ceremony. Before we reveal the winner of the Digital Health and Medical Devices category, here is a quick recap of all of the finalists in this category. edX Medical from the Netherlands. They are automating microscopic examination, making the diagnosis of tropical parasitic diseases accessible for everyone. Cellsway from the UK and Turkey. They are developing a liquid biopsy platform that is able to monitor cancer with just a simple blood sample. Circle Biomedical from Denmark, giving women access to zero-compromise contraception with a new method using mucus engineering. NanoSynex coming from Israel, delivering personalized diagnostic tests to identify the most appropriate antibiotic treatment for patients while helping counter antibiotic resistance. TelemedC coming from Singapore. They're working on a multifunctional eye scanner incorporating 3D printing and AI technology to screen a broad range of ophthalmic, systemic, and communicable diseases. Vibrosonic from Germany, contact lens for the car, invisible high-fidelity hearing system for the hearing impaired. And there they are. Welcome to all of our finalists from all over the world, like we just saw. We're happy to have you with us and to find out who will be taking home the prize money of 10,000 euros.
And the winner is, as I open my virtual envelope, edX Medical. Congratulations.
Congratulations on this win. Do you have anything that you would like to say to the Hello Tomorrow community or to the judges?
I just want to say this is absolutely unexpected, but thank you very much. It's wonderful. It feels so great. It's a very tough competition, but beyond the competition, I mean, everyone is doing amazing, great stuff. And I just want to say thank you for appreciating us. Thank you for all the other contestants. And I believe it's a contribution to make the world better. It's not just a win, but it's a win for all. That we can go to the field and use these resources to touch a life, to save a life, and to keep the world better. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and congratulations again, edX, and to all of our finalists who participated. You guys made it so far through the process. Really great job, everyone.
Thank you.
So that was our digital health and medical devices track. Now let's transition to our next track, which is drug discovery category. Before we announce the winner, I will read our finalists. Biotax AI from Germany. They are designing AI for the analysis of biomedical data to improve R&D decision-making. Ictos from here in France. They are developing a deep learning algorithm to enable the design of novel drugs. Lumento Therapeutics from the Netherlands. They develop light-activated cancer treatments, enabling safer and more targeted treatment of localized cancer. Osavax from France. And at Osavax, they are revolutionizing influenza prevention with a universal flu vaccine for both current and future influenza A and B variants. RS Research, coming from Turkey. They develop a smart chemotherapy that elicits its effect once it has reached the cancer. Vector Bioscience from the UK, who develop a new drug delivery platform for targeted delivery and slow release of therapeutics. Vemco Limited from the UK, addressing unmet medical needs by discovering and developing microbiome-derived molecules with therapeutic effects. And we have everybody. Welcome to all of our finalists.
And the winner is Osavax. Congratulations.
Great. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
I'd like to say, I know it's been a long process and many months in waiting for this announcement. So is there anything you would like to address?
So yeah, it's been a pretty long process with the discussions we had. I would say really quite a few months ago. I would like to thank the organizers, of course, the jury. But this would have never been possible. I mean, this journey of starting Osivax and developing our vaccines would have never been possible without the collaborations we're having with many scientists all over Europe and in the US. So I'd first like to thank all the scientists who are working with us, clinicians, molecular biologists in various academic centers in France, in Belgium, in the US, in the UK, and also in Germany and Italy. Those are really the ones I'm starting to think of. Of course, also volunteers in our clinical trials who are really helping us to move forward in developing our vaccines. And of course, our great team, which is based in France and in Lyon. It's a small team, yet a great team based in France and in Belgium. Of course, our shareholders, funders, and I'm really, we're very happy. Everyone's going to be very proud in the team, and hopefully we're going to continue this path by the end of the week with the grand final. Thank you very much.
Well, good luck with that, and congratulations again for your hard work this far. Medical biotech category, and the finalists are Chameleon Biosciences from the United States. They improve gene therapy by suppressing the immune response. Cudis AG from Switzerland, delivering permanent personalized skin tissue therapy to improve the lives of skin transplant patients. Phagomed Biopharma from Austria, developing targeted antibacterials to treat debilitating diseases. Unima, coming from Mexico, using fast and low-cost surveillance technology, allowing diagnosis of disease directly at the point of care without using lab equipment. Excel from Singapore, facilitating early cancer diagnosis by detecting rare cells in small blood or tissue samples. And here are our finalists. It's so great to have you all with us.
And the winner of the medical biotech category is Phagomed Biopharma. Congratulations.
Thanks so much. That's really fantastic. And first of all, congratulations to all the other finalists. I think that's really cool science that all of us have, and it's going to be really exciting to see that move forward.
Well, congratulations. And we'll look forward to seeing the grand finale results at the end of the week. And great job again, really, to all of our jury, all of our finalists that that made this challenge track what it is. Well, I guess I'd just like to say, after months of anticipation, I know that there are 3 startups that are really happy to be taking home that 10,000 euros of prize money and are still in the running for the grand finale, which will be announced on Friday, of 100,000 euros up for grabs for the winner. And that concludes day 1 of the Hello Tomorrow Summit, Global Summit. Join us tomorrow at 10 a.m., Paris time for day 2, where we'll be diving into more deep tech technologies, innovations, startups, and investors with our day dedicated to machines. See you then.